Picture this, it's 1998 in Atlanta, Georgia. A 27-year-old Sara Blakely, armed with $5,000 in savings and a bold idea, is cutting the feet off her pantyhose in her apartment. She wasn't chasing a fashion trend, she was solving a problem that millions of women faced, finding comfortable, flattering shapewear that didn't exist. With no fashion background and a history of selling fax machines door to door, Blakely set out to revolutionize the apparel industry. That spark of ingenuity gave birth to Spanx, a brand that would redefine shapewear and soar to a $300 billion empire. In the late 90s, shapewear was bulky, uncomfortable, and far from stylish. Women's undergarments were an afterthought, designed for function over form. Blakely, frustrated by visible panty lines and ill-fitting options, saw a gap in the market. Her DIY pantyhose hack, footless tights that smoothed and shaped, became the prototype for Spanx. With no experience in design or manufacturing, she spent nights researching fabrics and days pitching her idea to skeptical mill owners. Blakely's breakthrough came when she convinced a North Carolina hosiery mill to produce her design. She patented her idea, named it Spanx for its catchy, cheeky vibe, and packaged it herself. In 2000, a single appearance on The Oprah Winfrey Show, where Oprah called Spanx her favorite thing, sent sales skyrocketing. Suddenly, women everywhere wanted this game-changing shapewear. Building Spanx was no seamless journey. Blakely faced towering challenges. Competition was fierce. Established lingerie brands like Maidenform and Victoria's Secret dominated the market with massive budgets and brand loyalty. Blakely, a college dropout with no industry connections, had to outsmart them. Her solution? Focus on a unique product and relentless hustle. Scaling production posed another hurdle. Early on, Blakely struggled to meet demand while maintaining quality. Convincing manufacturers to take her seriously, often as the only woman in the room, was tough. Could her small-scale idea work on a global stage? Brand awareness was a battle. Spanx was unknown, and Blakely had no marketing budget. She relied on word of mouth and sheer grit, personally pitching to department stores like Neiman Marcus and Saks Fifth Avenue. How did Blakely overcome these obstacles? It started with product innovation. Spanx wasn't just shapewear, it was a confidence booster. Using lightweight, breathable fabrics, Blakely created pieces that were comfortable, invisible under clothes, and flattering for all body types. She expanded from bodysuits to leggings, bras, and activewear, each design solving real women's needs. Next, Blakely mastered grassroots marketing. Without funds for ads, she leveraged her story, a relatable underdog tale, and sent free samples to influencers before influencer was a term. Her Oprah moment was a catalyst, but her persistence in getting Spanx on the store shelves and into red carpet wardrobes, worn by stars like Beyoncé and Jennifer Lopez, built lasting buzz. For global expansion, Blakely kept production agile, partnering with trusted manufacturers to scale without sacrificing quality. Spanx adapted to international markets by offering diverse sizes and styles, ensuring inclusivity. By 2010, Spanx was in over 50 countries, with a supply chain that rivaled industry giants. When e-commerce took off, Spanx was ready. Blakely launched a user-friendly online store with virtual sizing tools and styling guides, making shopping effortless. Recognizing the shift toward sustainability, Spanx introduced eco-friendly lines using recycled materials and ethical production, aligning with modern consumer values. By 2025, Spanx is a $300 billion titan with products in over 6,000 stores across 60-plus countries. From its signature bodysuits to athleisure and menswear, Spanx has become synonymous with confidence and inclusivity. Its parent company, Spanx Incorporated, continues to innovate, exploring smart fabrics and wellness-focused apparel. Blakely, now a billionaire philanthropist, has empowered millions through her brand and her foundation supporting women entrepreneurs. Spanx didn't just change shapewear, it reshaped how women see themselves and how brands approach authenticity and innovation. Lessons from the Spanx journey. Spanx's rise offers powerful takeaways. Solve real problems. Blakely's focus on women's needs created a product that resonated deeply. Hustle beats resources. With no budget or experience, Blakely's persistence and creativity won the day. Authenticity builds loyalty. Spanx's relatable story and inclusive ethos turned customers into advocates. Adapt to stay relevant. From e-commerce to sustainability, Spanx evolved with the times. Sara Blakely's journey with Spanx is more than a business success, it's a testament to vision, grit, and the power of believing in your idea. From a $5,000 dream to a $300 billion empire, Spanx proves that with innovation and heart, you can reshape an industry and inspire the world. If this story inspired you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button bell. And join our community for more epic success stories.